pleasure. Today's video is an unboxing video for Papercraft Society. This box is by Helen Griffin of Simply Made Crafts. So as you can see, we have the little nutcrackers on the box, so it's going to be a Christmas box. Now I don't know if it's picking up, but this is a really pale blue. It's absolutely beautiful. So let's get into the box. How cute is that? So the first thing it says is, I'm over the moon to bring you this Christmas crafting box to play with. It's signed off by Helen. So we have some red tissue paper containing the goodies, and we have, isn't that gorgeous, the nutcracker thing. We have a voucher to get 15% off cardstock throughout October. So I'm not going to lie, I probably will be using that because everybody that follows this channel will know I cannot resist cardstock. So let's have a little look in here. So don't forget to share your makes using hashtag Papercraft Society. I do tend to do that, and I think quite a few people do now. Bang! Which end did you get? So we have a die that makes Christmas crackers. How exciting is that? I think that's awesome because I'd really like to quite have a go at that actually. So I'm really happy to have this die here which makes Christmas crackers, and then we have some other dies on there like the holly, the ballerina, the baubles, loads of just Christmassy things, and I'm loving the look of that. That will be useful all year round, so I cannot wait to get going with this. And I think what I will do is I will probably film using this die and creating the Christmas crackers, so keep your eyes open for that video. Then we have these these crackers are perfect for the table or decorating the tree, and we have stamps, and I think these are beautiful. Look at these. We have the nutcracker there, we have the ballerina again, we have the drums, twinkle all the way, Merry Christmas, have a cracking Christmas, joy to the world. These are beautiful. I think this is definitely one of my favourite stamp sets we have had with Papercraft Society. It just really appeals to me. Now this one here reminds me of a tree decoration. I actually bought it in New York, kind of around 2016 I would say, and in New York there are several Christmas shops like all year round, and it just reminded me of something you'd see in a movie, and I had to have it, and every year she has one of the Pride of Place spots on my tree, and that's what that reminds me of. So there you go, bit of useless information, but aren't they beautiful stamps? I am so chuffed with those. And then in the next section we have the papers, and it says, what gift will you put inside? So let's have a little look at these and see what we have here. So we have the beautiful nutcrackers again, and then we have a Merry Christmas one. We have this floral one. That's really pretty. I like that. That's kind of just a shade darker than the actual box was. Oh wow, look at these toppers. These are beautiful. Love those. Oh look, and we've got jokes as well. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Very chuffed with those. So that was what was in the goodie section, and now we come to the tissue paper. So let's have a look. Oh my word. So that looks like embossing powder. It's kind of a silvery grey colour. And that looks like an embossing pad to me. I might be wrong. I'll have a look in the book in a minute, but that kind of does look like an embossing pad, which is useful because we have the ink. We actually had some embossing powder a couple of boxes back as well, so hopefully they'll work together. We have the bangers from the crackers. Every cracker needs a good, I don't know how to say this without sounding rude. So yeah, every cracker needs one of these, that's what I'm going to say. And we have some Christmas bells. We have some silver ribbon. And we have add a touch of sparkle to make Christmas magical. And it is the instructions for how to make the cracker. That's good. And we have our book. So let's just check on this page here. So B. Yeah, it is an embossing ink pad. I was right. See, I don't really watch the unboxing videos because I like the surprise of what's coming. I've only broken that rule once, and I'll come on to that in a second. So I'm kind of flying blind a bit, but yeah, I think I was right about everything else. So that's really cool. Does it make anything else? I'm just having a look through the inspiration book really quick. Oh, you could make the little Prosecco bottle holder as well, which is quite cool. Mini wine bottle gift box. That's a good idea. Love that. Let's see what else. Wrapping. So the dies are quite versatile, which is always a good thing. Okay, and now let's have a look at this cardstock. See what we have here. So we have red, we have this nice blue, again that's darker than the box was, but it's a very pretty blue. Then we have like the navy, we have green, and get it apart, and we have like a creamy white as well. And the good thing about these cardstocks, they are really good quality as well, so really nice to have. Okay, so that's everything that came in this month's box. I'm actually really excited by this month's box. I didn't know what was coming. I had a vague idea because you can't help but see bits and pieces on social media. But I love those stamps, and I cannot wait to have a go at making my own Christmas crackers. My mother-in-law actually a few years ago donated me some stuff to make my own, and then I just never got around to doing it. So I'm sure I'll put those to good use this year. Next month's box is by Lou Collins, who is she does all the Facebook lives for Craft Stash. I did watch the unboxing video for that just because she is really into lettering and I'm really not. If you saw the lettering video I did, I think it was either the beginning of this year or late last year, you will see what a disaster it was when I tried. So I wanted to check it wasn't just purely lettering, because if it was, I was going to like skip that box. But it's not, and there's some really nice things in there, and I'm quite looking forward to receiving that. So yeah, thank you very much for watching today. Have you got this box? What do you think? And what is your favourite element of this box? I honestly can't choose between the stamps and the Christmas cracker die. And I'm quite impressed to see an embossing pad because I think my VersaFine one might be running out. I did say in a recent video about re-inkers, and someone kindly said I can buy a re-inker for it, but hey, now it's going to have a little bit longer because I have a spare, so that's awesome. I hope you are all well and keeping safe and crafting. Thank you very much for watching today. I will be back very soon with more videos. Take care. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.